Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna take a look at Replit, V0 and Cursor to see which one is best. So as you can see here I have a list with different features, so we're gonna go through each one of them. So we have Replit, ease of use, browser-based AI builder, ideal for beginners. Then we have V0, context aware across files but newer and learning curve. And then we have Cursor, familiar VS Code UI with powerful AI, better for devs. Best use, we have Replit, quick prototypes, non-devs deploy instantly. V0, multiplier projects, deeper context and planning. Cursor, AI-assisted coding, refactoring, and complex workflows. The pricing for Replit, $30 per month, usage-based via agent checkpoints. V0, free core credits-based usage. Cursor, fixed $20 per month pro plan, hobby tier available. Then we have here, as you can see, best for you. So choose Replit if you're a beginner or want fast browser-based prototyping with instant deployment. Choose V0 for multi-file context awareness and planning power in mid-level coding projects. Choose Cursor if you're a developer craving a powerful AI IDE with full control, refactoring tools, and a polished VS Code experience. So basically that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching.